What's up everyone? I'm Kaps and we are coming straight out of Kapston. Today I'm going to show you how to take a normal Tableau chart and give it a modern published finish using a 3D container to make your insights really stand out, as you can see in the before and after screenshot on your screen. So without wasting any time, let's dive straight into it. I'll make a copy of the original chart and then I'm going to create rounded bars using dual axis technique. To do that, you simply create a made-up calculator field. For here, for example, I'll create average 0, and I'll drag that to the axis of the bar chart. This will create two major values, and I'm just going to change the chart type to lines and drag our major names to the path. This will straighten up the lines, and I'm just going to increase the size of this line chart, and you'll see the round edges will start appearing. And we can also see some values going in negative. So I'm just going to edit the axis and fix this. I like to keep the fixed end to automatic, just so that if we have larger values, the chart can still fit those. And the fixed end, I'll just change that to 0. And here we go. We have our round edges chart. Now, a bit of cleaning up. I'm going to remove the axis, clear all the background lines from this chart, just so that I have a clear white background. So go to your table, remove the lines from any lines you see here, just take them off. Select everything to none. Most of them are already set to none. Then I'm going to go to the lines and remove all the zero lines as well. From rows, from columns, from the whole sheet. And now we have a nice crispy white background. I'm going to increase the size of these names columns so we can see all the names nice and clear. Change the format font of your chart to COG UI. That's my favorite one. That's how I'm choosing it. And I don't like to see the really dark titles of my chart, so I'm just going to change that to a charcoal color. And I also like all the fonts of my chart and dashboard to be consistent, so I'm just going to change the names font to also be the same font, COG UI. Keep it to, this one can be dark so we can see the names clearly. And I'm also going to hide field labels and rows and select a really cool modern blue color for the chart. Yeah, that one looks all right. And now for the fun part, I'm jumping into Figma to create custom rounded container with a subtle shadow effect. Figma is free to use and it's a great tool for creating modern dashboard elements. I'm just going to create a rounded container here and select a really light gray color for the fill. And to give it a bit of a shadow effect, I'm going to go to the effect and just add a bit of shadow to it. As you can see now, this looks like a 3D pop-out container. I'm going to download that. And once downloaded, we can use the image container in the Tableau and just select the container we just downloaded. And I like to use floating container just so that I can fit the sizes as per my requirement. And now it's time to bring our chart to this dashboard. I'm also going to select floating for this one, just so that I can select the size and it really fit it right inside the container. And here you go, guys. One last step, change the background of the chart to none, just so that the chart and the container looks one. And just like that, we have transformed a very basic chart into something much more modern, polished, and dashboard ready. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more Tableau tips, dashboard tricks, and design tutorials, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.